Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best mustard bottle is probably one of the most hilarious and unexpected additions to any gathering, a simple yet effective prank tool that guarantees laughter and surprise, perfect for April Fool's Day, birthday parties, or just to inject a dose of lighthearted fun into everyday situations, ensuring memorable moments and plenty of giggles for everyone involved. Number 5. Morfone 16-pack travel bottle set. Never worry about leaks or TSA restrictions again. These travel bottles are designed to be TSA approved and completely leak-proof, ensuring your toiletries stay secure during your journey. Made from BPA-free silicone, these bottles are wonderfully squeezable and collapsible. This makes them incredibly easy to use, refill, and clean, simplifying your travel routine. Filling up your bottles is a breeze thanks to the wide mouth opening. It even comes with a detachable funnel, and the tight screw-on lids guarantee no spills. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for organizing your toiletries. With various bottle types, jars, and accessories, keeping your essentials tidy is effortless. Whether you're flying, cruising, camping, or heading to the gym, these are your ideal travel companions. They are perfect for shampoo, lotion, mouthwash, and all your other travel essentials. What we like? These are TSA approved and leak-proof, perfect for your next trip. If you are looking for convenient and reliable toiletry containers for your carry-on, these are the ones. Their wide mouth opening makes filling and cleaning a breeze. What people say? The bottle is designed to look like a real condiment bottle, making it a convincing prank prop. It dispenses a squirt of yellow liquid that resembles mustard, adding to the realism of the gag. The bottle is easy to operate, allowing for quick and unexpected pranks. Number 4. Ultimate Prank Toys Kit. Get ready for endless fun with our Ultimate Prank Toys Kit. This box is packed with hilarious, surprising, and shocking pranks and jokes for everyone. Let the games begin. Perfect for any setting, whether it's the office, school, home, or even for your ex or neighbor. It's guaranteed to bring laughs and memorable moments. Our number 1 prank kit just got an upgrade. It's loaded with classic pranks and exciting new ones that will have everyone in stitches. Looking for a gift that will be a hit? Giving this kit as a present is sure to be a highlight of any party or holiday break. It's the ultimate tool for any prankster. This kit is designed to create tons of laughs. It's truly the ultimate prank kit for anyone who loves a good joke and a bit of mischief. Explore all the exciting pranks and jokes included in this amazing kit. Get ready to unleash your inner prankster and create unforgettable moments. What we like? This kit is loaded with a variety of pranks, both classic and new. If you are looking for the ultimate way to entertain at parties or holidays, this is it. It's the perfect gift for any prankster wanting to cause tons of laughs. What people say? The bottle is designed to look like a real mustard bottle, which adds to the prank's effectiveness. It squirts water in a thin stream, mimicking the appearance of mustard, making it a convincing gag. The bottle is easy to fill and operate, allowing for quick deployment of the prank. Number 3. BWACKY Combo Fake Squirt Mustard and Ketchup Bottle Prank. Introducing the ultimate prank set for endless laughs. This hilarious gag is perfect for parties and gatherings. These bottles look just like real condiments, making your prank even more convincing. Fool your friends and family with ease. Imagine their surprise when they get a squirt of fake liquid instead of ketchup or mustard. It's a guaranteed way to get a reaction. Simply hand over a bottle and watch the fun unfold. It's a simple yet effective prank that anyone can pull off. Made with safe materials, this prank set is designed for pure entertainment. Bring a smile to everyone's face with this clever gag. From BWACKY, you can expect quality and fun. Add this unique prank to your collection today. What we like? These look like real condiment bottles, ready to squirt. If you want a simple yet effective gag for friends or family, this set is ideal. It's a classic joke that never fails to get a reaction. What people say? The bottle is designed to look like a real condiment bottle, making it a convincing prank. It dispenses a stream of water that mimics mustard, adding to the surprise element. The squirting mechanism is easy to operate, allowing for quick and unexpected pranks. Number 2. Cute 8-ounce BPA-free squeeze bottles set of 2. Introducing our set of 2 BPA-free squeeze bottles, perfect for all your favorite condiments like ketchup and mustard. They hold up to 8 ounces each, making them ideal for everyday use. Tired of messy spills? Our bottles feature a no-leak cap designed to prevent accidental messes. Enjoy your meals without the worry of drips and stains. Filling and cleaning these bottles is a breeze. The wide mouth opening allows for quick loading and effortless cleaning, saving you time and effort. These bottles offer a cute and compact size, perfect for fitting into lunch bags or refrigerators. Despite their smaller stature compared to standard bottles, they still hold a generous 8 ounces. Cleanup is simple as these bottles are completely dishwasher safe. Just place them in the dishwasher for a thorough clean, ready for their next use. Measuring 7 inches in height with a 1/7/8-inch bottom diameter and a 26mm opening, these bottles are designed for both functionality and ease of use. What we like? These are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy food prep. If you need reliable squeeze bottles for your favorite condiments at home, these are a great choice. Their no-leak cap ensures no messy spills. What people say? This is a great prank item. It looks like a real bottle of mustard. It squirts water when you squeeze it. Number 1. Loftus International Ketchup and Mustard Fake Novelty Squirt Bottles. Introducing the Loftus International Ketchup and Mustard Fake Novelty Squirt Bottles. These are perfect for pranks and gags. These realistic-looking bottles come one red and one yellow. They are designed to look just like real condiment bottles. When you squeeze the bottle, a red or yellow string pops out. It's a fun and unexpected surprise. Looking for a funny gift? These make a great joke or gag gift for friends and family. They are sure to get a laugh. These novelty bottles are intended for individuals aged 14 and up. Please use responsibly for maximum fun. What we like? These novelty bottles offer a surprising squirt when squeezed. If you're looking for a fun, lighthearted joke or gag gift, these are perfect. They are designed for ages 14 and up, offering a classic prank experience. What people say? The bottle is designed to look like a real mustard bottle, which adds to the prank's effectiveness. It squirts water, mimicking the action of mustard, and is a fun gag gift. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.